If you have a Word document that you want to save into PDF, but you don't know how to go about it, then you are at the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your Word document into PDF in simple steps. So you are welcome to the channel, and let's get right into it. So this is the document that I want to save into PDF, and I've named the document 1. It's 2 pages. Your pages could be more or less. So to save your document into PDF, you first open your document, as you can see, and on your left corner, you select File. You scroll down and then look for the Save As and select Save As. I would like to save this document into my documents in the computer, but you can choose any folder you want. Now we are here, and the file name, as you can see, is a document 1, and save as type, which is Word document, which we are going to change to PDF. So you click on that, on the Word document, and you scroll down till you see PDF, and change it to PDF, then save. Now we wait for our document to process into PDF. Here we have it. Our document is now in PDF. We are done, but I would like to show you where the document is saved to so that you see. So we go to the PC, I check inside my document, and you can see the PDF has been saved there together with the Word that I was having, document 1. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like. Bye.